Hey y'all, Mississippi Madness back with another video. I'm messing with my glue gun because I'm making sure it's on. Okay. Today I am going to be doing a fall wreath. You can either hang it on your outside of your door, inside of your door, on your wall. It's just a little fall decoration that I'm going to try to do. Not sure how well it's going to go because you know me, but I'm going to try to show y'all how I'm going to do it, okay? So, first of all, I'm going to show y'all everything that I've got to make this. I've got leaves from outside. This is going to be, I'm trying to make this video and the next few videos to show everybody that you don't have to go out and spend lots of money to make very neat decorations for your house or your whatever. I spent about, the polyurethane was the most expensive thing. It was $16, but TINMAN needed some of it anyway. So, split that. Say he uses half, I use half, $8, okay? And you don't even have to buy the polyurethane like this. You can buy a can of spray polyurethane and use it, but I use the can. Okay, the leaves, the pine cones, all of that came from in our yards and back in the woods. Okay, I have my glue gun, which I've already had. Of course, if you know, don't have a glue gun, you'll have to buy one. Ribbon, I spent $1 on at the dollar store. My little wreath that I'm going to put the leaves around, I bought at the Dollar Tree for $1. I've already got my glue gun on because this is what I'm going to use to attach my leaves to my wreath, okay? So, I have already polyurethaned my leaves, okay? But I left a couple out so that I could show y'all. Let me cut my little tag off of here because I didn't do that a while ago. I left like 2 so that I could show y'all how I did it. I've got this little board down on my table right now because this polyurethane is going to get everywhere. Hopefully these leaves won't crack. TINMAN went out and picked me up a couple because I forgot to leave a couple that I already had to show y'all. I'm going to use my cutters to open it because I forgot to get a screwdriver. Woo! Okay, so what you do with the polyurethane, you are going to take your leaf. I hold mine by the stem. It's just easier to do it that way. And if you're using the liquid paint on polyurethane, you want to get kind of a thick coat on it. This polyurethane, as if y'all can see, is white, but it does dry clear. It's supposed to be a polyurethane that you don't have to put such a thick coat on. But all you do to do this is you just make sure you've coated your whole leaf on the front. You got it everywhere. Okay. And then you're going to flip your leaf over, just like this. And you're going to paint the back of it with polyurethane. And like I said, this stuff does make a mess if you're doing it like this. If you're using the spray kind, I would suggest going outside to do it. This polyurethane that I got is water-based because it cleans up with soap and water. Most polyurethanes are oil-based where you have to clean them off with gas or paint thinner or something like that. So, okay, I've got a good coat on that leaf. So that's just what you do. That's all you have to do to it. Then you're going to need, I used clothespins and a piece of string. Tied it up in my bathroom. And hung them up in my bathroom to dry. Does not take very long to dry. Okay. You just want to make sure that if you're using the clothespins to do this, make sure that you try to get the clothespin on the stem as far up as you can, because if you put it on the leaf, it's going to stick to the leaf, and more than likely it is going to tear when you try to take it off, okay? out of the clothespin. So what I'm trying to show everybody is that you don't have to pay a lot of money to make some very neat crafts. It's just not necessary. So what I'm going to do, I got my big leaves. Sorry, I'm waving to Cam. I'm coming. Yeah. Yup, I'm going to cut this video for just a second so I can go see my baby, okay? I'll be back with y'all in just a few minutes. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to go see my baby. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, there's my wreath. I have got a bucket full of leaves, okay? So, I am just going to randomly just pick these leaves out of here. Some of them are stuck together because they apparently weren't quite dry when I put them in the bucket together. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my biggest ones. These, like I said, were just leaves that we picked up out of our yard and out of Miss Betty's yard, my mother-in-law. So yeah, and I mean, I've got just all kinds of different leaves. I didn't get, you know, I got different ones. I didn't get all the same. And y'all, you are more than welcome to go, I saw them at the dollar store, just the little packs of fake leaves. I think they were $1 and there was like maybe 15 in each pack for $1. I mean, if that's, do that, that's great. So anyway, okay y'all, I'm gonna quit talking to y'all for a little while now. I'm just gonna put these on here randomly, fast forward through this, because basically all you're gonna do is just lay them around the wreath like this. However you want to do them, however you want to lay them. Putting the big ones on the bottom, and then I'm going to layer the smaller ones on top. So, that's what I'm fixing to do, and I'll get back with y'all in just a few minutes, okay? But y'all can watch me do this and fast forward. I gotta tell y'all, show y'all how to do this. This is what I'm doing. I am literally just going to hot glue them onto the wreath, okay? Just put a little bit of hot glue in a couple spots on the backs of the leaves. Okay, and then once you do that, take them and just stick them. Okay, kind of hot. Burn my fingers just a little bit, but that's okay. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Okay. One more quick insert, y'all. The stems on them, I'm going to cut the stems off of mine. It tells you to do it like if they're, you should do it if they are hanging out of it, you know, sticking out of it a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut mine off. I think that's going to be the easiest thing to do. So, that's where it. Hi, baby. Okay, I've done just the release, and that's all I'm going to do on the release. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking my smaller, get the medium size and spin them around. I'm not sure what to do these two yet. So I'm going to this aside, okay? I'm going to start layering my medium sizes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You know, I'm going to get some toothpicks or something. You want to get some where the hot glue is? But that's not right. I'm going to get some. Okay, I'm done with the first layer. Okay, I'm just going to this. We're doing the bottom. So now I'm just going to get rid of these. This is the main color I want to show you. And then I'm just going to start sticking on there. And then move to the next side. Yes. Can I help you? Yes. Just burn. Okay, there we go. Stick right in hot glue. Or stupid. Not be allowed to play with hot glue gun. Nope, nope, nope. Should not be allowed to play with hot glue gun. Alright, y'all, for the sake of the video, I'm going to turn y'all off for a few minutes. Just so I can fix what I've messed up here. Then I'll be back, okay? Okay, y'all. I finished up the leaves on here. Put the big ones at the bottom, like I said I was going to, the little ones at the top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, and my little bitty pine cone I got, I'm going to put it right here in the middle of the top. I'm going to hot glue it, just like I did the leaves. These you really don't really need to polyurethane them. Just stick them on there. I'm going to hold it for just a second, make sure that it sticks. Okay. Now I've got my two other little pine cones right here, but first I'm going to make a bow that I'm going to tie down at the bottom of the wreath. Move my phone out of the way. Okay. Now how I'm going to do it, y'all can do it any way that you want. This is the only way that I know how to make a bow. So I cut my ribbon that I'm going to use, and I just loop one end, however big you're going to want it. Mine's going to be pretty big. So you loop one end, however big you want it, and then you make the other side just the same. I cut my ribbon just a little bit too long, so I'm going to have to cut it off, but that's part of the bow, okay? And then y'all can see that, I switch it together like this, and now I'm going to take this long piece right here, and I'm going to cut it off, because I don't need it, okay? Just yet, but I'm going to use it, okay? And then I've got my other bow ribbon that I wanted, and I'm going to take it and wrap it around like this, and then I'm going to hot glue it to my bows right here. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to cut it off a little bit long, because, you can see that, okay? I'm going to take it, and I'm going to fold it over like this. Try to keep your loops the same size, okay? And again, I'm going to move this out of the way, okay? So I'm going to lay it down, making sure that I keep my loops the same size again, okay? Then I'm going to wrap once, put a dot of hot glue, and put it to my piece, just like that, okay? Push it down on that just to make sure that it's stuck. Fold your bows back out, because they're probably going to get crushed during this, okay? So that's how big my bow's going to be. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, just put it just like this, okay, right where I want it to stick. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to make another bow to put like right here and one right here. So I'm actually going to make 2 more bows, okay? But they're going to be smaller bows. So I've got this little piece that I had. Again, just put your 2 pieces together, okay? Stretch it out just a little bit, okay? And then cut your ribbon. Okay, get it cut. Just did my cut. Okay, then I'll smush it out again. Just like I did the other one. Okay. And again, I'm going to grab once around. Again, trying to keep your bows out because they're going to squish. Okay. Put another line of hot glue on this piece. Ow. And now let me see what I burned my finger really good earlier. Okay, that piece wasn't quite long enough. So just gonna stick it there. And cut this a little bit longer. There we go. Okay, now let's try this again. Get your bow. Crush it together. Okay, wrap it. Okay. This takes a little longer than I needed, but that's okay because I can do this. Okay. Okay. And then I fold my bows back out like they're supposed to be. And I roll it one more time. Hold it so it's stuck together good. Okay. So that one's stuck together good, so you just put your bow back out how you want it. Okay. I'm going to just hot glue these two together. Just like that. Okay. And like I said, you can do whatever bow you want. This is just. And my little thing, of course. Okay, I'm going to sit here for a minute and fix this. I'll fast forward to this, you don't have to watch. Okay, I'll fix it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my wreath. Put that there. Okay. I'm going to hot glue it. You know, yours is probably going to do better than mine because this just doesn't seem to be working out like I thought it was going to. Okay, so we're going to stick this on there. Hold it down, let it stick good. Okay, got that. Okay, now, my two other pine cones that I have, I got to do the tail on my own. Oh, my mind, just totally went completely blank. So we're going to cut two strips of this. How long you want your tail to be? 3 of them. Okay, so right there. Okay, and then you're going to, or I'm going to, hot glue these two pieces together. Okay, I'm actually going to twist them around each other, kind of like that. And then straighten them back out because they decided they wanted to curl up on me too. So just like this. Okay, I'm going to hot glue this right here. Across the top of this, and I'm going to take my little red piece and a little red piece and put on top of my two little tails. This one might take a minute or two to dry. Then I'm going to get just my piece of this. Just enough to cover it. And then I'm going to glue it to this side. Okay. And here we go. Up. Again, my hand should not be allowed to play with the hot glue gun because I burn myself very badly every time I use it. And then we're going to glue this up. Okay, just like that. Make sure it's stuck on there. Okay, now my other two little pine cones, I'm actually going to put one right here and one right here, just like that. Okay, just like that. So, put my blind glue, hot glue, and hold it to it for just a second so that you know it's stuck good. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and then we're going to glue the other one right here. Okay, and again, we're going to hold it for a second to make sure that it sticks. Oh, and that one didn't, so this is not going to work. Yes, it is. I'm going to make it work. Oh, y'all. Okay, so, and it's not going to stay. Okay, change it on top. Okay, yeah, that'll work. We can do it that way. Just stick. Stick, stick, stick. Come on, you know you want to stick. I have to turn around so I can see what I'm doing now, okay? Okay, put some glue on the back of that, then we're going to stick it right there. Put some glue on the back of this one, and we're going to stick it right there. There we go. That worked. Okay. Got some glue in places that wasn't supposed to be glue, but we can fix that. Once that dries, I can just pull this off right here. There we go. Okay, y'all. It is finished. That's still drying a little bit, so. But there's the finished product. Oh, I can't see that, y'all. There's the finished product. If y'all make this, if y'all make something different, please send it to me. Y'all can't see me. Y'all make these. Send me some pictures. Send me some video. I will feature it on my channel. I would love to see your creations. How you did yours. So yeah, y'all send me some pictures, send me some video. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching this. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell for notification so you know when I put another video. And y'all be watching out because I am going to start putting out a video probably 3 days a week now. I'm going to shoot for Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. This may change. I may go to Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Okay? I don't know just yet, but y'all be watching out. Be sure to hit that bell so y'all get notified. Okay? And again, like I said, y'all show me your projects, send me some pictures, send me some video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.